Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. My loves, we're going to be making these adorable little embellishments for these cupcakes. I love when they come out with these cupcakes during the holidays or during the Halloween season. And I found these at BJ's, which I was super excited because you get like more than the normal box that I normally buy. So I want to make some embellishments, which I already made some here, but I'm going to show you guys. And I'm going to add these embellishments to the cupcakes. I thought they were just so cute. I think it looks adorable. It gives the cupcake a nice little touch to it. I always make these, I always give away these cupcakes for the Halloween and for the Christmas season. And so I thought that, yeah, that I will show you guys how I did that. Okay, so it's simple, really quick and easy. By the way, I said to you guys that I was going to do a some kind of tag for these hot chocolate bomb kits, and I decided not to. I decided to just keep it the way it is. I like it the way it is. I didn't want to add any more thing to it. I think it turned out so beautiful. I absolutely love it. If you guys saw how I made these, I kind of just am really loving the way it looks. If you guys miss how to create these, is going to be linked at the bottom of this video, all right? Or if it's not linked, just go to the previous video and I'll show you how to make that. All right, so let's concentrate on these delicious cupcakes that I absolutely love. So I have here a whole bunch of these embellishments that I already made. These are just super cute embellishments. Really simple. I didn't really do much with them. I mean, I just used some stickers, but I just thought it was really cute and just perfect to use them for a little bit of a decorations to the cupcakes. And so what I did here is simple. I used a gold cupcake liner, which I believe I got these at Michael's, and I'm going to use these itsy bitsy tiny little teeny tiny little cupcake liners. All right, so all I did is I folded my gold cupcake liner in half and I just gathered it in the center, and then I opened it up to see if I like the size of it. If I need to be adjusted, you can do that. Okay, so that size to me looks good. We did the same thing with the little one. Same thing. You're going to use some stickers. I have so many stickers to use. So I was happy to actually use these stickers because I do have quite a few. So let me show you what they look like. They look like these. These are from the Dollar Tree. I got these I think it was a while ago. It's really a while back, maybe like 2 years ago. And so I have a whole bunch of these left, and so I'm going to use some of those ghosts in there that I have some left here to decorate the embellishment. All right, so here we go. So we have the gold one and we have the mini one, right? We're just going to gather this together. Okay, we're going to layer, add a little bit of hot glue to the mini one, and put it in the center of the gold and squish it in the middle. Okay, and that's going to give you that really pretty, cute embellishment effect. And then you're going to take your sticker, which is going to be my little ghost right here. I'm going to add some hot glue because I don't want my sticker to fall anywhere. And I'm going to add it in the center of the cupcake liner. And that's literally all I did. Remember, I'm trying to keep it simple because I do have a whole bunch of these that I have to create. So I want to keep it very simple and easy and flowing nicely. That's literally all I did. Literally. Okay? That's all I did for these adorable little cupcakes liners. Okay, on the back, I added these adhesive that I get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to add some hot glue on the back. And I'm going to apply it to the back of the cupcake liner. This is going to hold well to the cupcake liner, and then this part right here is going to be glued to the bag of the cupcake baggie. So we're going to glue this to the baggies. And there you have it. And that is how I made these. I mean, they're so simple to make, but look how pretty. Look how pretty these look. I think they look so cute. Look at that. Don't they look adorable? I just love them. I love how they turned out. They're so simple to create, but they look so pretty. And it actually looks nicer than just giving the cupcake by itself, right? Just plain. This looks really pretty and presentable. So that's how I made these really fun little tiny embellishments. I'm going to be adding them to the rest of the cupcakes that I have here, and then I'm going to bring these into the office. All right, my loves, I have one more video to do with you guys that it is Halloween inspired, and then I think I'm going to be done. I think we're going to concentrate on Christmas next. So yeah, exciting. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.